Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today we are unboxing for you a FabFitFun box of a different kind. This is from the Community Christmas Swap. This is the 6th annual event, and I've participated in many of these in past years. This box here comes to me from a secret elf. So I am going to open it up. All I've done is just cut the box open, and I have a little peek as to what is inside, and there is a card for me on the top. So let's take a look. So if you are a member of FabFitFun, you'll know they have a wonderful forum where we connect with fantastic women, and this is the Canadian swap. I love this card. This is so cute. Wow. It says Merry Christmas, Tony, and it is from Kim. Merry Christmas wishes for the sweetest moments, brightest joys, and warmest memories of the season can bring. And a new year that's everything wonderful you're hoping it will be. So that is a gorgeous card. I can actually use this as part of my December daily scrapbook that I create, because this will make a fantastic page. So thank you for that gorgeous card. It will be forever commemorated in my album. If you haven't heard of December Daily, I actually have been doing them for a decade. It basically, you document everything that happens throughout the month. And if you want to take a look at that, I will leave a link for you at the end of this video. And you can see what my previous albums have looked like and some tips and tricks on how to make them. So, where to begin? Here we have a hot chocolate mix from Laura Secord. This is fantastic. We actually just lost our Laura Secord. We no longer have one here. And I only ever drink water, with the exception of, right now I'm just getting over something, and I will drink tea just to have a hot liquid. If I'm gonna drink anything as a treat, hot chocolate is it. I love these cute little boxes, and they have all kinds of different kinds. There's English toffee, classic, one with marshmallows, ooh, peppermint, salty English toffee, and then like a regular. That's all great. Oh, interesting. Speaking of hot chocolate, so chocolate drizzled kettle corn. Swiss Miss is actually my favorite brand of hot chocolate. I think it's only something that you can get in the US, and anytime I would go there, if I would see it at the grocery stores, I would grab a pack just to have some. It is a really great hot chocolate, so I'm grateful for this. It's funny because we get to know your elf all throughout the month, and she was asking me some questions, and everything I kept answering was chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Like, what's your favorite drink? Hot chocolate. Anyways, and I noticed that there was a bit of a theme to the conversation. It looks like there may be a bit of a theme to my box. I had even said I wouldn't mind getting an entire box of chocolate. So that it looks like my wishes have come true. So here we have a Kinder mix with the super cute little stuffy on the top. That's adorable. And then some yummy different chocolates inside. So that's cute. And then let's take these two out. We got everything wrapped up in these really cute pet bags, which is interesting because I see that Kim has sent me a box from Pet Value. Ironically, that just arrived when we had just returned from PetSmart, picking up a new family member. We recently got a hamster. So it's cute to see all the little pets on the packaging here. So let's start off with the cat. It's a little Santa sack. Super cute. And more chocolate inside. What have we got here? A Toblerone. This is so nice. She was telling me what a fan she is of Wicked. So this is a little piece of Kim. She was sending me all kinds of videos and stuff to watch, and she has gifted me one of the novels. That is so thoughtful. I actually had only just sort of heard about Wicked, and I wasn't even 100% sure. So what the whole fuss was about. So we had a good conversation about that. That's so thoughtful. This is so cute. A little squishmallow. That guy is adorable and actually would fit on my little 3-tiered shelf here perfectly. I'm gonna put him up here. Let's put him right there. Oh, he matches perfect there. So that is great. More chocolates in here. We have some Whoppers. So that's very sweet, literally. We don't have these kinds of things in the house, so these are definite treats that the whole family will enjoy seeing. We have a hot chocolate flavored Chips Ahoy, and interestingly enough, chewy cookies are my favorite kind of cookie, so that was spot on. Oh, something I've never heard of before, Dunkin' chocolates, brownie batter, all kinds of varieties. Santa hat, Hershey's Kisses. We actually just had some Hershey's Kisses brought to us by our Christmas elves. So I know these are a popular treat in the house. And what is this? This is hilarious. Tic Tacs, naughty or nice? Naughty. Sour cherry lumps of coal. That's a fun little gift. So thank you so much to Kim for this fun gift basket of things. I know it's been a bit of a challenge to ship things out here in Canada for us with the Canada Post strike. But if you are interested in seeing what it is that I gifted to my secret elf, I will actually have a video coming when she receives her gift and unboxes it as well. So watch for that coming on my channel. If you would like to see my December daily that I was talking to you about, I will leave videos for you here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.